guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm doing real well, girl. I'm a little tipsy. I ain't gonna front. Today we're gonna be talking about this beautiful wig. Today's hair sponsor is Hermosahair 13x4 26-inch body wave wig in color 99J, you guys. Know I love me some 99J hair. Alright guys, so really quickly I want to give a big shout out to Hermosahair because this wig is straight fire. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm in love with it, and she's long. I don't have a burgundy wig that's this style of curl, so I'm actually like really here for this curl pattern. This is in a deep wave and the curls are so beautiful. Now I did try to bleach my knots because a lot of the knots that were around the hairline I noticed were a little bit like dark, so I tried to lift it. I didn't really have much luck, you guys. It kind of looked the same and the hairline was very full. When I was installing it, I did decide to go in and pluck some of that hair, so I did that off camera, but that's what I did, you guys. And actually this install was giving me a bit of struggle. I don't know why, but for some reason it was just not really wanting to stick to my head. Maybe it's because I have cake face on today, I don't know. But I tried my best and this is what we came up with. I really love how soft it is and how full it is. I believe the density is 200%, and yeah, I definitely agree with that because I do have some mousse in the hair and I did spray it down. It's not even combed through all the way, but I wanted to show you guys what the curls look like, kind of tamed. This is that 26-inch. I would say it is true to length and it is styled length because it is definitely hitting me where a 26-inch would hit me, without it being stretched. Now if I stretch it, it's probably a little bit longer than that, but it is more of a layered wig, so it's not like all the hair is one length. Like this part is obviously shorter than this part. Literally perfectly colored. There's no light spots or dark spots anywhere. It's all one tone. So this wig is so cute. Oh my goodness. Having a bit of struggle when I was installing it at first, but I don't know why, but in the end we got there and I'm here for it. This is what I did with the baby hairs. I just did a little swoop-de-swoop. If you get this wig, you're definitely gonna have to pluck it because the hairline is very intense. It's not gonna look like this when you first get it out of the package, so you will have to do some work in order for it to look the best, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it because in the end, if this is the result I'm gonna get, definitely spend a few minutes plucking. The hairline on the frontal part of the wig is very, very full. So you guys saw me go in with some foundation and powder just to like open up that hairline because yeah, it was just hair everywhere. Once I did that, I really loved how it looked. I just did a simple middle part with the baby hairs on the side. I really like this wig. You should definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Hermosahair in the description box for you guys. And of course, if there's a discount code, I'm gonna leave that there too. But before you go, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. Did I do a good job? Are you here for the color? What do you think about the color on my skin tone? If you guys want to see more 99J wigs for the fall, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye. Hermosahair. Today's hair sponsor is Hermosahair. They sent me this 13x4. Oh God, Christ, Kez. Today's hair sponsor is Hermosahair. They sent me this, and yeah, guys, I am in. What? You guys, I am obsessed with this wig. I'm a little tipsy. I got some tequila and had a shot earlier. When I'm filming this, it's gonna be Friday. It's Friday when I'm filming this, so it's all good. Everyone needs to have a little fun.